Sculpted by Mike Cusinelli, this Marvel Comics Hellcat 12-inch statue from Bowen Designs brings you one of Earth's greatest heroes. The 12-inch tall resin sculpture features the superheroine alter ego of socialite and gymnast Patsy Walker. As part of both the Avengers and the Defenders, Hellcat matches her dexterity to telekinesis and an ability to detect mystical fields to be one of Earth's most powerful. And wow, check out that detail on her hair. Is it really blowing in the wind, or is she just strutting her stuff? And Hellcat has those retractable claws, and they sure are sharp. Ching! Ah! What a great job on this face sculpt. It really does capture Patsy Walker's fierce expression. And check out the base. It's got the familiar Avengers egg logo on it, and the piece fits right into place and can stand up with one simple peg, no glue or holder necessary. It's numbered. 650 were made. This is numbered by hand. This statue is perfect for any Avengers or Defenders fan out there. This statue does hit home that 1940s feel, pulling Hellcat out of the 40s and into your home. Order today from Entertainment Earth.